Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to beat Ticketmaster queues in 2026. Now, if you always get stuck behind thousands of people and miss the tickets, these real strategies will seriously improve your chances. So, first of all, you need to do the preparation, and here preparation beats speed. So first of all, you need to come here on ticketmaster.com. Afterwards, you need to simply log in into your account. When you are here, click on the My Account option on the top right hand corner. After that, click on the option of My Profile. Over here, click on the option of Billing Information. So when you are inside the billing information section, you are going to see the option of Add Payment Method. So if you have previously added any of the payment methods over here, it will be shown in the billing information. So here, if you haven't already added any of the payment method, simply click on the option of Save New Payment Method, then provide the payment method which you want to use to make the payments. So here you can either connect your PayPal account or you can add a credit or debit card. So provide these details and click on the option of Save. So what this is going to do is it is going to remove any kind of delays that you might face during checkout. Now, once you have done that, simply come back on the home page of Ticketmaster. Over here, select the location, select the date, and you can just simply search for the event. So as you can see, after clicking on the search option, it is going to show me some of the trending searches. So among these, after clicking on the option, you will be landed here on the event page. So here about 10 minutes before the sale time, the waiting room button is going to be appeared. So you need to click on it immediately as soon as it appears. Make sure that you do not refresh the page if anything happens or if anything feels stuck, because refreshing can slow you down and reset your spot. Now you need to improve your loading speed. So before joining, just make sure that you have turned off the VPNs if you are using them. Make sure that if you are downloading or streaming something, you also stop that, and make sure that you only have opened the tab in which you are going to make the purchases. So you can also use your phone and your computer if possible, because you can basically get your seat in any one of these devices. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.